Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to Wi-Fi. First, from your PlayStation 5's home screen, locate and select the gear-shaped settings icon. Once inside the settings menu, scroll down and choose the network option. This is your starting point for configuring all internet-related settings on your console. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth connection. Now that you're in the network settings, select Set up Internet Connection. Your PlayStation 5 will then scan for available Wi-Fi networks. From the list that appears, choose your home network. If your network is password protected, which most are, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the security key. Make sure to type it carefully to avoid errors. For those who want more control, you can access advanced settings after selecting your network. Here, you have options like setting a static IP address, adjusting MTU settings, or configuring custom DNS servers, such as Google's 8.8.8.8. These can sometimes improve connection stability or speed. After making any changes, always perform an internet connection test to verify everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that you've entered the correct Wi-Fi password and selected the right network. Sometimes, a simple restart of your Wi-Fi router and your PlayStation 5 console can resolve connectivity problems. Once successfully connected, your PlayStation 5 will display internet connection, successful in the network status. Enjoy your online gaming and streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.